Our topic is distress signal, SOS, through Morse light in accordance with call Annex 4 and International Code of Signal or ICS. What is SOS? SOS is an international distress signal used during emergency at sea. It is used when a ship or person is in grave danger and needs immediate assistance. According to Call Regs Annex 4 and the International Code of Signal, SOS may be transmitted by flashing lights such as Morse lamp, flashlight, or signal lamp. Morse code of SOS. SOS is in Morse code is meaning S 3 short flashes, O 3 long flashes, S 3 short flashes. How to transmit SOS through Morse light? Point the flashlight or signal lamp toward the receiver. Flashlight 3 short light. Flash 3 long light. Flash 3 short light again. Repeat continuously until help arrives or signal in acknowledge. Example: flash, flash, flash. Long flash, long flash.
How to receive SOS. Observe flashing pattern carefully. Identify the signals: 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. Recognize it as an emergency distress signal. Inform the officer on watch or rescue authority immediately. Follow proper emergency procedures. Importance of SOS. SOS is recognized internationally as distress signal for ships in danger. It helps rescuer identify emergencies quickly and provide immediately assistance. Conclusion: SOS through Morse code light is an important emergency communication signal used at sea. Every seafarer must know how to transmit and receive the SOS signal properly to ensure safety and successful rescue operations.